Hi everyone, welcome to our channel B2C, Beginner to Champion for Competitive Exams. Today we're here with the analysis of Day 3 of SSC CHSL 2019 Tier 1. We'll be looking at the individual difficulties of all the 3 shifts and the number of good attempts corresponding to each section in all the shifts. And also we'll look at some of the questions that were asked in Day 3. Okay, so let's start. Talking about the first shift, it was of easy to moderate difficulty. In the first shift, the easiest section was English, general awareness was moderate, and the other 2 sections were easy to moderate. You can see the number of good attempts corresponding to each section and the number of good attempts in the overall shift. The second shift again was of easy to moderate difficulty. English comprehension was again easy and general awareness was kept at moderate level. And the other 2 sections were easy to moderate. You can see the number of good attempts corresponding to each section and the good attempts in the overall shift as well. In the last shift, the third shift, again English comprehension was easy, general awareness was moderate, and the other 2 sections were easy moderate. So we can see a similar pattern of difficulty in all the 3 shifts in Day 3. You can see the number of good attempts corresponding to each section and the overall number of good attempts for the whole shift. Now we'll look at some questions that were asked in quantitative aptitude, English, general awareness, and reasoning from all the 3 shifts of Day 3. Here are some quantitative aptitude questions that were asked in Day 3. Here we have a few reasoning questions that were asked in Day 3 of SSC CHSL 2019 Tier 1 exam. And now we come to the English section. These questions were taken from all the 3 shifts of Day 3 of SSC CHSL 2019 Tier 1 exam. These are some general awareness questions that were asked in Day 3 of SSC CHSL Tier 1. Again, there were no questions related to COVID-19, and also most of the current affairs questions were about events that happened in 2019. For more current affairs questions and general awareness questions, you can visit our Telegram channel. The link to our channel is given in the description box below. If you are a candidate who is appearing for SSC CHSL 2019 in the coming days, we hope that this video will share some insight into the kind of questions you can expect for your exam. Team B2C would like to wish you all the best. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and share. Subscribe to this channel to receive expert tips and guidance for clearing various placement exams, and press the bell icon to receive instant notifications.